Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule video pins on Pinterest. So the first step you simply need to do is to search Pinterest and you need to log in into your Pinterest account first. So here you can see I already log in. Then you simply need to click on your profile on the top right, and here you need to click on create and click on create pin, and here you can see choose a file or drag and drop it here. So I'm going to select the video, this one for example. Okay, here you need to add the title, description. If you want you can add link, and here you can see in the bottom publish at a later date. You simply need to select on that and you can schedule your video pin. So you can schedule up to 21 November, so you can schedule your video pin up to 30 days. Okay, and here you can select the time, and then you simply need to click on this schedule on the top right. So this is the easy process how you schedule video pins on Pinterest. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.